welcome back to Rebel Rebellion. So I was going to install this, which is the Gamin cradle for the Zumo 595LM, which is your sat-nav systems on my Rebel. But I thought I was waiting for these, and I thought these were about another month away. These are my bar risers, which I was going to install at the same time. So I got a little bit pre-zealous yesterday and installed this on my Fz8. All you got to do, take the seat off, lift the tank, put the little wire attachments onto the battery, run it all the way through, straight under here, clip, 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 put on your ram mount, and there goes your Gamin. Obviously I got home today from the gym and my bar risers are here. So yeah, so if you still want to see another video of me installing that onto the Rebel, just put a like down below or leave a comment. But yeah, because that's the next project, is obviously installing the Gamin onto my Rebel, and then do the bar risers, and then wait for the little clamp so I can turn my mirrors upside down. Boom. Alright, keep it real.